So my topic is about the musculoskeletal pain among eye care professionals. As we all know, we as eye care professionals, we adapt some awkward ergonomic positions when examining or treating our patients. So that prompted us to conduct this study on a bigger scale than previously conducted studies. As we know also that the current prevalence of back and neck pain are common among the adult population. It is widespread among medical professionals and eye care professionals. So there have been some studies that have uh, experimented with getting the prevalence of musculoskeletal pain, while others have tried to experiment with ways to reduce this musculoskeletal pain. We try to combine those two approaches and try to find the prevalence and the perfect or best way to reduce the musculoskeletal pain. So for the methodology of our study, it was a cross-sectional study we conducted using electronic detailed questionnaire through Google Forms, and we distributed this questionnaire to all eye care professionals in Saudi Arabia, including the practicing ophthalmologists, from consultants, specialists, and residents, and to optometrists and orthoptists. So, to summarize these, our findings from the tables that you can see here, um, we have first found that the overall prevalence of pain among eye care professionals was high. 66% of participants reported musculoskeletal pain. Neck pain was around 48%. Lower back pain was about 40%. Upper back pain was about 35%, while wrist and hand pain were about 24%. We found that the significant risk groups of the participant was in females, significantly higher than males, 76% compared to 58% in males. While professionals who were older than 50 years old were also significantly impacted, around 71%, and also those with other medical comorbidities with around 92%. Another key finding we found is that the workload had a significant impact on the musculoskeletal pain. The prevalence surged with higher patient volume. More than 70% were indicating they were having musculoskeletal pain when they examined more than 150 patients per week. And those who had done a higher procedure per week, for example, more than 20 laser sessions per week, they had 100% reported that they had musculoskeletal pain. As for those who had done more than 20 surgeries per week, 85% of them reported musculoskeletal pain. So as you can see that the higher workload impact, the higher percentage of pain reporting. So for the other, also the specialty, we found different subspecialties of ophthalmology had different percentages. For example, the cornea subspecialty, 70% of them had reported musculoskeletal pain, and glaucoma surgeons also reported very high pain rates, about 67%, while the non-ophthalmologists, such as the optometrist and the orthoptist, reported having more lower back pain and wrist and hand pain compared to ophthalmologists. So for the other part of the our article for the protective effect or something to mitigate the musculoskeletal pain. We found we assist different types of exercises, CrossFit, running exercises, and we have found that running was the only significant protective exercise among the different exercises. We had found that 48% of regular runners reported pain compared to around 70% of those who don't do running exercise as a regular basis. So, as a conclusion, we found that musculoskeletal pain is highly prevalent among eye care professionals. This is especially true among females and older adults, more than 50 years old. And among different exercises, running is most protective against musculoskeletal pain. We should note also that comorbidities contribute significantly to pain. And that is my presentation, and I thank you for your attention.